Yes, Sharif eating bogies for breakfast. I see you, my nigga. Wanna deuce me on your bogey?
Shut up, you dumb Jew and Wally. Wash your hands first.
Oh my goodness, you snapped, but don't worry, I got you on a cold. Or are you trying to burn?
Good looking out, AZ. But I don't eat bogey or burn like Sharif. My girlfriend will snap.
You have a girlfriend, Wally. Just cause you took a girl to the theaters don't mean she's your girlfriend.
Sharif, you fucking win, you're killing me.
Sharif, you pussy ass nigga, you got cut from Oi's team.
Why you talking, Wally? You ate the most bench. Where's my shirt?